Have you ever picked up your phone just to check the time, and suddenly it's 45 minutes later, your thumb is tired, and you're watching a video of a cat slapping another cat? Yeah, same. So here's the real question. Why is your brain so addicted to your phone? And no, it's not because you're lazy, weak, or have no self-control. It's actually way deeper and kinda sneaky. Let me explain. Your brain is basically a reward hunting machine. It loves one thing more than anything else: dopamine. Dopamine is that, ooh, this feels nice chemical. You get it when you eat your favorite food, win a game, hear a compliment. And yes, when your phone lights up. Every notification, every like, every message, every new video. Tiny dopamine hit. Not a big one. Just enough to make your brain say, that was nice. Let's do it again. And again. And again. And again. That's why you unlock your phone without even thinking. You're not bored. Your brain is craving a reward. Think about this. Have you ever opened Instagram, scrolled for a bit, closed it, and then reopened it 2 seconds later like something new magically appeared? Congratulations. You just experienced dopamine fishing. Your brain is basically like, maybe this time there'll be something better. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Apps don't give you rewards all the time. Sometimes you see something exciting. Sometimes it's boring. And weirdly enough, that's what makes it addictive. It's the same reason people get addicted to slot machines. You pull the lever, and you might win, or you might not. Your phone works the same way. Scroll, maybe something funny. Scroll, maybe something shocking. Scroll, maybe something you didn't even know you wanted to see. Your brain loves uncertainty. It keeps you hooked. And let's talk about short videos for a second. Reels, shorts, TikToks. These are like fast food for your brain. Quick, tasty, zero effort. One video ends, the next one starts instantly. No time to think, no time to get bored, no time for your brain to say, okay, that's enough. It's like someone is constantly whispering, just one more. And your brain says, yeah, one more. Next thing you know, it's 2 a.m., your eyes are burning, and you're watching a video that starts with, wait till the end. But here's the scary part nobody talks about. The more your brain gets used to easy dopamine, the harder normal life feels. Studying feels boring. Reading feels boring. Conversations feel boring. Even movies feel slow. Not because life is boring, but because your brain is spoiled. It's like eating candy all day and then saying, why does fruit taste so bland? Your brain isn't broken, it's just overstimulated. And no, the solution isn't throw your phone away or become a monk. Let's be real. Your phone isn't the villain, it's a tool. The real issue is unconscious use, using your phone without deciding to, opening apps on autopilot, scrolling without knowing why. Once you notice it, something powerful happens. You start catching yourself. Why did I open this? Do I actually want this right now? And slowly, very slowly, your brain learns it doesn't need constant stimulation to survive. Here's the funny thing. The same brain that gets addicted is also the brain that can break the addiction. Not with force, not with guilt, but with awareness. So the next time you unlock your phone, just for a second, smile a little. Your brain is just doing what it was designed to do: chase rewards. The difference is now, you're the one in control. And hey, if you made it till the end of this video without checking your phone even once, yeah, that's a win.